The BMW X6 is the first sports car, and now exactly 15 years after its discovery, the German automaker can safely say that its idiosyncratic cross-roadster idea has been a success. Over time, it was even copied from Mercedes, GLE Coupe, and many other manufacturers. Heading into the final part of 2023, the new X6 has received a host of updates to stay on top of patterns and be useful. It highlights new design elements, as well as an updated curved look, while the two engines have been given soft mixture support. And while the X5 continues to make deals in the decent-sized premium SUV segment, the X6 continues to target a more modest audience, looking for something a little more unmistakable. The presence of the X6 on show floors should become the norm in mid-2023 in April. Along with the updated X5, it will make a splash in the city of Spartanburg. Slimmer headlights with sun arrows inside and a new amazing M Sport package are two fundamental updates that have been made to the exterior of the sport utility vehicle. The sloping roofline remains the same and slowly slopes towards the rear with exceptionally wide taillights, a minor departure from the L-shaped plan that has been used on various BMW models for a long time. There are plenty of seriously shiny dark finishes, and the 20-inch composite wheels are shod with all-season tires. Options up to 22 inches are available. The M60i variant is equipped with a double grille and a quad tailpipe exhaust system. There is also a dark spoiler that gives the model extra strength. The M60i xDrive uses a newly upgraded 4.4-litre turbocharged V8 engine with 523 horsepower plus 750 Nm of power. However, combined with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a 48-volt soft motor, the result of the M60i remains the same as that of the old M50i, 530 horsepower. Like the new X5 with the same engine, the X6 M60i takes only 4.2 seconds to reach 100 km/h. Similarly, the M60i now comes standard with dynamic steering, which allows the rear wheels to behave in roughly the same way as the front wheels, or in reverse, increasing mobility and reducing turns. The organization claims that with this framework, path changes can be carried out even more without hesitation and at a faster rate. In addition, the M60i is equipped with an M Sport differential and brakes. Another modern and innovative component is the computerized BMW key, which is essential for the Comfort Access keyless entry system. It eliminates the need to carry a real key, unlocking/locking the car naturally when approached, and works with two iOS and Android devices. The interior of the X6 has been stunningly redesigned with various features such as ambient lighting and coated pedals. The rich and pleasant seats of the BMW X6 have long been a shock, but here they are upholstered in eco-friendly Sensafin calfskin, with interesting holes to add shine, which are discussed in the next column. Inside the BMW X6, the dashboard and infotainment screen are combined into a single element, known as the curved display. It includes a 12.3-inch computerized driver display, and a 14.9-inch touchscreen interface that runs the BMW 8 operating system. This plan looks very modern, but thankfully there are also a couple of real buttons that are held for convenience while driving. If you want to know about these and other new, attractive, mysterious cars, subscribe to our channel and follow us.